You can be a great creator, you can have amazing content, you can even have a growing audience. But if your media kit does not clearly communicate your value, brands will overlook you. And the painful part is they won't even tell you why. They'll just move on to someone else, not because they are better than you, but because they are able to position themselves better than you. Hi, my name is Adeomi Ogini. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a content creator trying to work with brands, grow your audience, and actually get paid for your work, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about something a lot of creators overlook, me myself included, but it's actually a powerful tool you need as a creator, your media kit. Now let's start with the basics. What is a media kit? A media kit is a document that introduces you to brands. It shows them who you are, what you do, who your audience is, and why they should work with you. Your media kit is basically your pitch without you speaking. It is what speaks for you when you're not in the room, and it is what brands use to decide if they should work with you. So if your media kit is weak, confusing, and incomplete, you're already losing money without even realizing it. Let's talk about what a media kit is actually supposed to do, because a lot of creators think it's just about putting something together. No, your media kit is a strategic document. It should do these three major things. First, it should show your value, not just what you post, but what you bring to brands. Can you influence buying decisions? Can you create engaging content? And can you represent a brand properly? This is what brands are looking for. Second, it should show your audience, because brands don't just work with you, they work with who you have access to. Who are your followers? Where are they based? What are they interested in? If a brand is targeting mostly Nigerian customers and your audience is outside Nigeria, this matters a lot. Third, it should show your professionalism. Your media kit should make a brand understand that this person knows what they are doing. It should have a clean layout, clear information, and no confusion whatsoever. Because if your media kit looks scattered, a brand will assume your work is also scattered. Now let's break down what should be in your media kit. First things first is introduction. Start with who you are, your name, your niche, and what you do. Keep it clear and simple. For example, hi, I'm Adeomi, a beauty and skincare content creator based in Nigeria. I create engaging and relatable content that helps women stay confident in their skin and make better beauty choices. See? Very simple and straight to the point. Next thing that should be in your media kit, audience insights. This is very, very important. Brands care more about audience than anything else. So in this part, you include age range, gender, location, and interests. For example, my audience is 80% female, aged 18 to 34, based in Nigeria with a strong interest for beauty and skincare. What this does is it tells a brand immediately if you align with their target markets. Next up, content style. What type of content do you create? You need to be specific about this. Let them know if you create makeup tutorials, skincare routines, product reviews, lifestyle content, and also mention how you create this content. Is it relatable, educational, or entertaining? What this does is it helps brands understand how you communicate. Next thing that should be in your media kit, past work and brands you've worked with. Now, this is where a lot of small creators get scared. You always think, oh, I have not worked with big brands. But the truth is, it's fine. Even if you've never worked with any big brand, just put in the brands you've actually worked with. Even if it's just content you created on your own, include it. Because truly, what brand wants to see is proof that you have created content or that you are creating content. Next up, services you offer. In this part, list out the type of content you create, like for example, UGC videos, Instagram posts, TikTok videos, product photography if you're into that, and brand collaborations. This makes it easy for them to understand how they can work with you. Number 6, testimonials. If you have testimonials, do well to add them, because this gives you credibility. Even if it's from a small brand, include it, because it just tells the brand that you've worked with other brands and they loved your work. Lastly, contact details. This is very important and very underrated. You need to make it very easy for brands to reach you. So make sure to include your email address and social media handles. Do not make a brand start stressing for how to contact you, because if it is stressful, they will move on. Now let's get into how you can create your media kit. The easiest way is to use Canva. Log into your Canva app or download Canva if you don't have it already. Log into the app, go to templates and search for media kits. You'll see different templates. Just choose something clean and simple. Please, 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 and please do not overcomplicate it. Choose a layout that is very simple and easy to read. Then start placing the content with your own information, your picture, your stats, your details. Make sure to adjust colors if needed so that it can match your brand. For instance, I love to use gold and black and sometimes white or orange. So those are the kind of colors I'll look out for when creating my media kits. You just need to make sure to keep it simple because your goal is not to impress with design. Your goal is to communicate clearly. Now let's talk about mistakes you need to avoid. Do not ever lie about your stats. Don't lie about what you have on your page, on your platforms. Don't over design. Too many colors, too many fonts makes it difficult for brands to read. Structure. Don't design your media kit to be all over the place. Don't allow your media kit to be void of flow and organization. A brand should be able to scan your media kit and understand everything in seconds. Lastly, clarity. Make sure that when a brand gets a hold of your media kit, they should understand exactly what you do. And before you finalize your media kit, ask yourself this question. Why should a brand choose me? If your media kit does not answer that question clearly, it is not ready. Because the entire point is not just to introduce yourself, but to convince a brand to work with you. Now that you understand how to present yourself the right way, the next step is equally very important. Your portfolio, because your media kit tells brands who you are, but your portfolio actually shows them what you can do. So in the next video, I'm going to break down how to build a strong portfolio that will actually make brands say yes. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you on my next one.